7 amazing benefits of Ginkgo biloba and how to use it. Did you know that Ginkgo biloba is an ancient tree species that has been utilized in Chinese herbal medicine as a heart remedy since at least the early 16th century? Yes, this plant has a lot to offer and it can transform your health in surprising ways. It's also been traditionally used for lung issues, brain health, and inner ear problems. Ginkgo biloba is one of the oldest trees in the world, known for its unique leaves and medicinal properties. Among the powerful compounds found in it are flavonoids and terpenoids, which do wonders for our body. Today, let's explore the science behind Ginkgo biloba's medicinal properties and how it can help treat conditions ranging from less serious to more serious diseases. You'll also find out which parts of this plant are used for medicine, the ideal dosage, and any side effects or contraindications. You should definitely watch till the end, because the 7th benefit is really impressive and could change your life. But first, please like the video. The more likes it gets, the more YouTube will share it with people who need access to health information. Also, subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications bell to stay updated with our new and informative videos. Now, let's find out the 7 amazing benefits of Ginkgo biloba and how to use it. 1. Improves brain function. Let's start by discussing one of the most crucial organs in our bodies, the brain. It controls everything we do, from solving problems to making quick decisions to just remembering where we left our keys. Our cognitive functions act as the foundation for all of our mental processes, such as thinking, storing and retrieving memories, paying attention, and understanding different languages. Ginkgo biloba is recognized for improving blood circulation in the brain, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach this critical organ. This is critical because, while making up just around 2% of our total weight, the brain consumes approximately 20% of the oxygen we breathe. Furthermore, Ginkgo biloba has potent antioxidant capabilities due to the flavonoids and terpenoids it contains. These substances help in the fight against free radicals, which may damage brain cells and cause cognitive decline by interfering with fundamental processes such as speaking, listening, and exercising, all of which are typically done automatically. Research indicates that Ginkgo biloba can improve memory, focus, and mental processing speed. Consider being able to remember more knowledge, think more clearly, and perform cognitive tasks more efficiently. This is particularly beneficial for students, professionals with heavy mental workloads, and elderly people who want to keep sharp brain capabilities. Furthermore, research indicates that Ginkgo biloba may help prevent neurological illnesses, such as Alzheimer's. While further study is needed to completely validate these benefits, preliminary findings are encouraging and suggest that Ginkgo biloba may help protect the brain from damage over time. 2. Prevents memory loss. Ginkgo biloba has been shown to improve brain function, while also preventing memory loss. It's common to have memory lapses as we get older, but this herb can be an effective friend in the fight against cognitive decline. Memory is one of the cognitive processes most impaired by aging, and retaining this ability is critical to sustaining quality of life. Ginkgo biloba protects nerve cells from oxidative damage and improves blood circulation, therefore keeping your mind bright and active. It also has a favorable effect on synaptogenesis, the process by which new synapses develop between neurons. Memory formation and retrieval rely heavily on these synapses. Imagine being able to recall all of the significant details in your life, from birthdays and anniversaries to professional appointments and vital information for daily living. According to studies, Ginkgo biloba may be particularly helpful in reducing the symptoms of moderate cognitive impairment, which frequently precedes Alzheimer's disease. The capacity to store and access information quickly is critical in personal as well as professional settings. Many of us are faced with huge quantities of information and make fast decisions. Thus, Ginkgo biloba can be really beneficial. Furthermore, having a strong memory is critical for sociability and emotional well-being, since it helps us to recall important discussions and experiences with friends and family, therefore developing social connections and creating a more fulfilling and happy life. 3. Fights anxiety and depression. Millions of individuals worldwide suffer from anxiety and depression, which can seriously lower quality of life. good news is that Ginkgo biloba can be beneficial. Having adaptogenic qualities, it facilitates the body's more effective stress management. Brain chemicals directly involved in controlling mood and emotions, neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, are released and activated by Ginkgo biloba. Known by many as the happiness hormone, sufficient levels of serotonin in the brain are linked to emotions of happiness and well-being. Contrarily, pleasure and motivation are associated with dopamine. Regular dopamine levels increase our willingness to do enjoyable activities. Through the promotion of a better balance of these neurotransmitters, studies indicate that Ginkgo biloba may lessen feelings of anxiety and depression. This indicates that if you include Ginkgo biloba in your daily routine, you could feel less anxious, agitated, and depressed overall, and your mood may also improve. Ginkgo biloba also possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities that shield the brain from the harm that oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, two conditions linked to anxiety and depression, cause. Imagine being able to face everyday challenges with more calm and resilience, maintaining a more balanced and positive state of mind? The positive impact of Ginkgo biloba on mental health can be a great ally for those looking for a more peaceful and balanced life. It can be very useful for people suffering from social anxiety, panic disorder, or mild to moderate depressive disorders, providing additional support to traditional treatment and helping to promote more robust mental well-being. 4. Promotes eye health. Ginkgo biloba helps promote eye health by improving blood flow to the eyes, which is essential for keeping eye cells fed and operating correctly. Poor circulation can cause a variety of eye conditions, including age-related macular degeneration and glaucoma. AMD is a primary cause of vision loss in the elderly, whereas glaucoma damages the optic nerve and causes blindness. Ginkgo biloba's vasodilating characteristics aid to enhance blood circulation, ensuring that the eyes receive the oxygen and nutrients they require for good health. Ginkgo biloba also contains potent antioxidant chemicals, such as flavonoids, which help protect the eyes from free radical damage. These free radicals can harm eye cells and lead to the onset of degenerative eye disease. Ginkgo biloba fights free radicals, which helps preserve eye cell integrity and prevent eyesight degradation. Ginkgo biloba has been demonstrated in studies to assist enhance vision in individuals with glaucoma, improving their quality of life significantly. Furthermore, for persons who spend a lot of time in front of screens or exposed to blue light, Ginkgo biloba can provide an extra layer of protection, lowering eye strain and improving general eye health. Maintaining good eyesight is essential for freedom and quality of life, especially as we age. Ginkgo biloba, with its therapeutic characteristics, can be an effective ally in maintaining eye health and clear, sharp vision for many years. 5. Helps with weight loss. Looking for a little extra help to lose weight? Including Ginkgo biloba in your diet can be really beneficial. Losing weight can be pretty complicated, with lots of things playing a part, like what you eat, how much you exercise, your metabolism, and even your hormones. Ginkgo biloba can help out in a few different ways to make things a bit easier. Firstly, Ginkgo biloba helps regulate metabolism. A more efficient metabolism helps the body to burn calories more efficiently, even while resting. This is due to better blood circulation and tissue oxygenation, which promotes increased calorie burning and hence assists weight loss. Ginkgo biloba also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is one of the factors that may make weight loss difficult, as it is associated with insulin resistance and fat accumulation. Ginkgo biloba lowers inflammation, increasing insulin sensitivity and fat burning. Ginkgo biloba may also help you lose weight by improving your digestion. It improves better digestion and relieves symptoms such as bloating and fluid retention. Imagine feeling lighter and more energized, with less stomachache and a fully operational metabolism. Including Ginkgo biloba in your regimen will help you reach your weight lower goals while also supporting a healthier, more balanced body. 6. Relieves leg and arm pain. You know those annoying pains in your legs and arms? Ginkgo biloba could simply become your new best buddy. These aches are frequently caused by poor circulation, inflammatory diseases, or neurological issues. Ginkgo biloba promotes blood circulation, which naturally and efficiently relieves pain and inflammation. One of the most well-known uses of Ginkgo biloba is the treatment of intermittent claudication, a disease in which blood circulation in the legs is impaired, resulting in discomfort when walking. Ginkgo biloba improves blood flow, which increases muscle oxygenation, reduces discomfort, and allows for better movement. It also possesses anti-inflammatory effects, which can help decrease inflammation in joints and muscular tissues. This is especially beneficial for patients who suffer from arthritis or other inflammatory illnesses that affect their extremities. Ginkgo biloba also promotes nerve health by alleviating neuropathic disorders that cause pain and discomfort in the arms and legs. It protects nerve cells from oxidative damage and enhances nerve transmission, resulting in a sense of comfort and well-being. 7. Helps prevent cancer. The benefit everyone's been waiting for is finally here. Ginkgo biloba has some remarkable attributes that can help prevent cancer, which is one of the most deadly diseases out there. It works by blocking the blood arteries that supply tumors and reducing DNA damage. This is all due to terpenoids and bioflavonoids, which are potent antioxidants. These chemicals are found in many medications and have shown tremendous promise in scientific research. Ginkgo biloba's capacity to suppress angiogenesis, or the production of new blood vessels, is crucial for cancer prevention. Tumors require a continuous blood supply to develop and spread. By inhibiting these blood vessels, Ginkgo biloba helps to strangle the tumor, blocking its development and spread. Ginkgo biloba's antioxidants also protect cells from free radical damage, which can lead to cell mutation and cancer. These antioxidants destroy free radicals, ensuring that your cells are healthy and effective. Another method Ginkgo biloba might help prevent cancer is by increasing apoptosis, or programmed cell death. This is important because it aids in the removal of damaged or abnormal cells before they become malignant. Can you imagine having a powerful natural weapon to help protect your body against cancer? Ginkgo biloba, with its many therapeutic benefits, could be an amazing ally in the fight against this devastating disease. How can Ginkgo biloba be used? It is available in various forms such as capsules, liquid extracts, and teas. The most common form is in capsules, which can be easily found in health food stores and pharmacies. The recommended dosage may vary, but generally, a dose of 120 to 240 milligrams per day is considered safe and effective. But don't forget, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional before starting to use any supplement. Which parts of Ginkgo biloba are used medicinally? The leaves are most commonly used, but sometimes the seeds, and less frequently, the bark are also utilized. The leaves are unique, fan-shaped, and bifurcated, and are used in dried form, either fragmented or whole. Currently, supplements made from extracts of these dried leaves, which have a standardized content of flavonoids and terpenoids to provide beneficial health effects, are typically used. What are the potential side effects and risks of Ginkgo biloba? Although Ginkgo biloba is generally safe, it may have some side effects. These include headaches, dizziness, gastrointestinal discomfort, and allergic reactions. Additionally, it can interact with certain medications, such as anticoagulants and antidepressants. Therefore, it is important to talk to your doctor before starting to use it, especially if you are already taking other medications. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, and if you're concerned about your health, always consult your healthcare provider. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider sharing this information with your loved ones so they also will know all the benefits of Ginkgo biloba. If you want to stay informed about health and well-being, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. For more insights on health and lifestyle, you might also find additional interesting videos popping up on your screen right now. Feel free to click on any of them, or even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.